What is APR? Or annual percentage rate? We hear it all the time. The Truth in Lending Act decided consumers need, well, more truth in lending. Suppose you have two offers for two lenders. The interest rate for both is 6%. Who is giving you the better offer? That is where APR comes in. The annual percentage rate is the annual rate of interest plus all other costs of credit expressed annually. Now the consumer can compare not just apples to apples, but also oranges to oranges. Although Lender A and Lender B are both offering 6%, Lender A is charging less in other loan costs. There are two ways to express the cost of credit. 1. As a percentage, or APR in. 2. As a total dollar amount. The term for this is finance charge. This includes only the charges associated with financing, not the charges you would still pay if you paid in cash, versus borrowing the money. Hence the name, finance charge. For mortgage loans, there are 5 types of finance charges that would be included in the APR. 1. Interest paid to the creditor for borrowing the money. 2. Mortgage insurance that protects the lender if the borrower defaults on the loan. 3. Government loan program fees, such as guarantee fees and funding fees paid to government agencies like the VA and the USDA. 4. Origination charges, such as origination and mortgage broker fees. And 5. Discount points used to buy down the interest rate. You can remember these 5 types using the acronym, I'm God. These charges are strictly a result of the financing involved in the purchase or refinance of a home through a mortgage loan. Charges the consumer pays that are not a result of borrowing money are not included in the APR and total finance charges. For example, here is a list of charges a person may pay when purchasing a home that are not tied to financing. So, if the home buyer does not use a mortgage to purchase the home, and, instead, buys the home out of pocket with their own money and no financing, there are still costs. If the home buyer does use a mortgage loan for all or part of the purchase, they will have the same costs as the home buyer who paid in cash, and will also have the costs associated with financing, such as interest, origination, etc. The costs listed here are not considered finance charges and are not part of the APR, only the charges I'm God, interest, mortgage insurance, government loan program fees, origination fees, and discount points.